Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako si Federico Ticalupas ng ABM 11Y1-3.
Exact and ordinary interest. Definition: and computed in 365 days in a year as the time factor of the denominator. Ordinary interest is computed in 360 days in a year as the time factor of the denominator. Exact interest. How determine the number of days in a problem? Actual is the actual number of days based on calendar. Approximate is the approximate number of days in a month is 30 days. What is leap year? Leap year is a year that has 366 days instead of the usual 365 days. Year 4. If answer is full, then it is a leap year. If the answer with decimal, then it is not a leap year. Okay. Find the exact interest and ordinary interest given the following values. 10,000 pesos for 150 days at 5%. Okay, this is our given principal for 10,000 and for time 90 days. And for rate 5% or decimal to decimal 0.5. Exact interest. The principal times the rate times the time. Okay, we're getting the principal for principal. We're getting 10,000 and for rate 0.05, and to get our time we're dividing the 150 days to 1 year is equal to 365 days. So 150 days divided by 365. Where's my calculator? Okay. To get the exact interest, we're getting to divide 150 divided by 365 equals times to 10,000 sorry 0.5 verse times 10,000 equals, so this is the final answer. Two 0.547. Is final answer for exact interest. Now to solve our ordinary interest, we're using the same solution, a formula. Ordinary interest. Exact. Same formula. P R T. R to get our principal 7,000 ay 10,000 to our rate 0.05 and our time 150 divided by 365, same as the exact interest. We're using this calculator. 150 divided by 360 equals times 0.05 times 10,000 equals, so this is our answer for ordinary interest, 208.333. This is our final answer for ordinary interest. Okay, for our principal 50,000 pesos. Our rate 30%. Our just 0.30 and our time 3 years. Using P or 50,000 times 0.3 30 3 5. For our final answer, it will be 45,000 pieces. Okay, now let's move on for our example number 1 on ordinary interest. For our principal, we have 1,040. 100,040. And now for our rate, we have 15% or into decimal 0.15. Now for our number of days, this is what we're looking for January. We have 30, 15 and equals 15. For our February, we have 30. For our March, we have 30 also. And for our April, we have 21. Because hanggang April 21 lang tayo. So, hanggang April 21 lang to. Now, we're going to total this. 30 minus 15 is equal 15. 15 plus 30 plus 30 plus 21, it will give us 96. Now, we're using this solution formula. VRX, numbers of days over 360 days. Now, we're going to add the 140,000 and 0.15 times 96 over 360. 360 because it's approx time. Now, in total, we're having 5,600. Now, this is our final answer. For our second example on ordinary interest, Klang increased 400,050 pesos with a simple annual interest rate of 1.5% on October 20, 2000 and matures on March 1, 2006. Find the ordinary interest using approximate time. For our principal, we have 450,000, and for our rate, we have 1.5%. In decimal, we have 0.01, 0.15. On October 20, 2000 until March 1, 2006. In total, we have 1,921. Now we're proceeding in number page. We're using this formula PRT, number of days over 360. 450,000 times 0.15 times 1921 over 360. And if we total in calculate, we have 66 187.5. Now this is the final answer.
That's all guys, we're done. Thank you.